What's up, you guys? That Black Fist here with another video. Today, I've done a couple of things so far. Put a Bush Motorsports Composer to lead in. I put in some LED fog lights, and I'm gonna put a motor mount in. There will be another video for that, and then for this video, we're putting in a drop-in filter from the company Green Filter. It's a high-performance air filter. This is one of the best drop-in filters that you can get on the market. I'll show you a couple clips here why.
Easy to see example has been something that I've seen over the years, you know, and it's like, really? But it really is probably the most simple way to show the difference in the filters. Yeah, talk to us a little bit about that.
Basically, we have the dry flow filter that some people use. We have the regular paper filter that comes in your car from the factory. We have a leader in the industry put here, and we have the green filter. These are all calibrated pretty much the same. You could take the filters and put them across here, and you'll see the difference in airflow. Now, if we take that and change it out, we'll change out a couple of them and see what happens. Basically, you can see the green filter there. One competitor there. No matter where you put it, you're going to come up with the same results.
Mark, how important is air intake and air filters to guys with these high...
So as you saw in the clip, this outdoes multiple brands. Outdoes the K&N drop-in filter. So it's pretty cool. If you don't understand it, they put the filter in an air box that has air going through with a ping pong ball, and the ping pong balls just stay floating. All the other ones, the ping pong ball drop, but Green Filter had it floating up at the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this piece of junk. So one thing you guys can also do is cut the bottom of your air box. You get better airflow from it. I actually noticed that when I did that from the stock, with the stock filter, it made some noises. I can't really get it in sound clips for my car, but it made some intake noises, so that was pretty cool. So I only imagine it's gonna be a lot louder and more aggressive with this, because damn, I shouldn't even thrown that fucking filter because I don't have to compare it to y'all. Just look at this shit. Fucking dog. Look at that. That's fucking crazy. That's crazy. So I went over by the workbench. Here's a little size comparison. I mean, just holy cow. It won't even stand up by itself. Look at that. Holy shit. Look at that. Ain't no restriction in this filter, boy. You can see right through it. Look at that, Saba. Yeah. Get overdose. Yeah, get all the harmful particles in our intake, right? Nah, it still filters it out.
Through the dirt and that open air box that can work as a vacuum cleaner.
Wow, it sits in there really nice, like seals super nice in there too. Yeah. Also, shout out to Green Filter, man. I called them and talked to a nice lady, and they sent me out an air filter to do this video. So shout out to them, working with such a small channel. You know, I'm sitting at like 10 subscribers. So shout out to them. They were cool. They didn't have to do that. I'm pretty sure I got a sticker in here. But let's go ahead and put this back on. I guess I should have showed you. You don't need all of this taken off. Like, the only reason I have, you know, that off and, you know, all these plugs and stuff is just because I was doing the Composer lead, and it made it a lot easier to get to and take that piece of crap clip from factory off. So all you need to do is just This is sitting here. You take that wire off of there. It's a little, you slide that red clip out and it'll pull out. And you take out the 4, what are these? I'll even give you the size. Where's it at? Oh. T25. Take your T25, take those 4 screws out. And then it's gonna be this side, I think. You should unscrew it from there. This will pop out nice and easy, and you got that space. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it, and we'll see if there's any new noises. Like I said, y'all can cut the bottom of the box. I ain't gonna do nothing. There's people, you said, that run 300 horsepower stock intake box with the high flow filter and it cut out, right? Yeah, there's 300 horsepower Fiestas out there with literally a drop-in filter, the box cut, and a stock intake housing. So, or stock box, air filter box. But yeah, everybody's doing that. There's a few people doing that. So I'm gonna get a crossover pipe to get rid of that. It's only like $30 on Whoosh, I think. So I'm gonna get one and put it on. I'll show y'all then. But I'll go ahead and put this all back together and get some sound clips. All right. Well, all right, guys, that was the install of the green filter high flow drop-in. So please like, comment, subscribe for more videos. There's gonna be a motor mount install video coming up here probably a week after this is posted, and then probably about 2 weeks after that there'll be a review on this filter, driving with it. Have I noticed any differences, anything like that? Probably won't, you don't get much power from it, but a little bit faster response, maybe better gas mileage. So watch out for those videos. See you guys later.